He sat in the dark, staring at the numbers on his phone. Bills, loans, overdraft. It felt like a mountain he could never climb. But here's the truth most people never realize. Financial freedom isn't a lottery. It's a process, a journey, a step-by-step climb. Years ago, he thought freedom only belonged to the lucky ones, the rich, the gifted, the chosen. But the day he got tired of living paycheck to paycheck, he made a decision to learn, to grow, to fight for his future. Step 1. Awareness. He stopped pretending everything was fine. He wrote down every expense, every debt, every leak in his wallet. Facing the truth hurt, but it was the beginning of control. Step 2. Discipline. He learned to say no. No to impulse. No to short-term pleasure. No to living for other people's approval. Every dollar got a purpose. Every choice started to build the foundation of something bigger. Step 3. Building skills. He realized, if money isn't growing, neither is freedom. So he invested in himself, not in get-rich-quick schemes. He learned new skills, improved old ones, and created streams of income that didn't depend on luck. Step 4. Investing. Not chasing trends, not gambling, but smart, consistent investing. In stocks, in businesses, in knowledge. Slow, steady, strategic. Step 5. Patience. The hardest step of them all. Because financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens when you choose to stay consistent, even when it's not easy. And slowly, things changed. The debt started to shrink. The savings grew. And the fear turned into power. He wasn't chasing money anymore. Money was working for him. Because financial freedom isn't about buying everything you want. It's about having the power to choose, to live on your terms, to say no when something doesn't serve your future. So if you're stuck right now, if it feels impossible, remember no one climbs the mountain in one leap. You climb it step by step. Start with awareness. Build discipline. Learn. Invest wisely. Be patient. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you've built something powerful. Freedom. Financial freedom isn't a dream. It's a decision, repeated daily. This is your reminder. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start to become rich.